Hey everyone, if you want to change the avatar in HeyGen in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to switch avatars, customize their appearance, and use a different avatar in your videos step by step. First, sign in to your HeyGen account and open the project you want to edit. You can also create a new project if needed. Next, click on the avatar currently being used in your scene. This opens the avatar settings panel. Now select the switch avatar option. This allows you to replace the current avatar without rebuilding the entire video. Browse through the available avatars and choose one that fits your content. So you can select from public avatars or your own custom avatars. Click the new avatar and confirm your selection. HeyGen will automatically replace the old avatar in your scene, resize or reposition the avatar if necessary. This helps maintain the layout of your video. You can also edit the avatar's look, outfit, or background. HeyGen provides tools to generate different styles and appearances. If you want a more personalized avatar, you can use the face swap feature and upload your own photo, so HeyGen can create a new version based on your image. Play the preview to make sure everything looks correct. This helps you verify the new avatar before rendering. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Generate. HeyGen will create the final video using the new avatar. After rendering is complete, download the video to your device. Your project now uses the updated avatar, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to change avatars in HeyGen in 2026. Thanks for watching.